Friends, everybody is curious that why 2023 was declared as International Year of Millets. What happened? India proposed to United Nations to make 2023 as Millet Year, and 72 countries accepting this proposal to declare 2023 as a Millet Year. What was there? Well, as you all have seen, noticed, acknowledged that millions of people died. There were deaths, so many people around. Why? It was immunity. It was weak immunity. It was health. And nothing but it was for food security. It was for nutritional security. United Nations declared 2023 as Millet Year. Imagine United States of America, Europe, Australia, all these countries, millets are not for human consumption. In India, millets have been staple food since more than 5,000 years. But all around the world, it was never for the human consumption. It was always for animal fodder. It was always as a bird fodder. So suddenly, this 2023 awakened the world for eating millets. Well, today's generation, millennials, Gen Zs, would not know much about millets, or even if they know millets, they know jawar, bajra, or ragi. So as I said, ragi, that mudde, it's like finger balls made from the finger millet. It got GI tag. It's something very big news for the world. Imagine in the world of trademark, copyrights, intellectual property rights, millets or a finger ball or a dish calling or getting a GI tag itself is a very significant and a big pride for a country like India. Well, we all love chapatis, like wheat or fulka, bhakri, whatever we call. Like in Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, also every day it is a staple food made from jawar, bajra, ragi. But at the same time, there are not that only jawar, bajra, ragi, but if I tell you that, well, in the morning I had a brown top dosa, or I had a foxtail idli, or I had a little millet paisam, or I had, let's say, barnyard rice, would you relate to it? So these are 5 positive millets. Now these are the millets which are like considered as the highest in nutrients. They have antioxidants, they are gluten-free, they are full of health. So whenever you are going out, restaurants, anywhere, you must start demanding, you would like to have millet dosa, you would like to have millet noodles, right? You would like to have millet pizza. It's all very much possible because people like us or Indian Institute of Millet Research, Hyderabad, this is a millet institute, we have all come up with the innovations, technology in millets where you don't have to eat those noodles which are fried, which are made out of MSG, which is so bad for your gut, which is made from refined flours, white flour called maida. So why you need to eat these instant noodles or instant pasta or instant pizzas when you have your own noodles which is made from millets? Now all these things would be possible only when you become conscious, you become mindful, and you start asking for it. Why we are giving, let's say, this instant noodles so much importance, which is coming around of our country, which is not belonging to our own country. Revenue is going outside. Besides that, we are harming our stomach and gut. Most of the students nowadays having lots of digestion issues. Have you seen that ad on the television where mother coming and telling us, child inside a toilet, beta ho gaya, beta says no. Second time, beta ho gaya, child says no. Third time, it's like done. And mother is like, she's like this. Why? Because clean bowel movement, child is, could complete his task. Why? Because the atta, a flour given to the child was full of fiber. And what was it? It was nothing but millets. It's a magic, it's a powerhouse, it's a superfood. Let's say either a student, either a families, either a senior citizens, whichever generation we are, we must start demanding that we want to eat millet food. Friends, I want to share with you all. Few years ago, I had a massive diabetes. I was on injections, high insulin. And in this 4 years, I transformed my lifestyle. Whatever weight you are, I think, witnessing today, I was fully 1 year in the hospital. I was on wheelchair. I was not able to walk. So what happened? How I could stand in front of you and talking and sharing with you all. So this is a magic of millets. Due to millets or the consumption of smart food and this revolution, I'm very happy to share with you all that because of millets, I could reverse my diabetes. I could reverse my chronic diseases. Even my relatives, my friends, I started doing pilot project and all these case studies. I'm very happy to share with you all. Last 4 years, I have seen not 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, 14,000 cases which have reversed their chronic diseases, including PCOD, heart diseases, reversal of diabetes, stress. All these diseases have been able to transform and reverse. So when we are talking about tomorrow, we all want to be successful, right? We all want to do something in our life. Well, I have a very glorious past. Having a barrister, Barrett Law from UK, having an agro, water, food security diplomat from Harvard, coming back to India, transforming my life, becoming an organic farmer. I'm full-time into organic farming, growing millets through our farms clusters, where we are making sure that all the millets what we are growing has amino acids, has proteins, has zinc, has all the nutrients which are climate resilient. They are smart carbon, they are smart water. Even in 64-degree temperature, millets can grow very well. It doesn't require much water. So if you will see Rajasthan, Gujarat, in the desert parts, you will have bajra, that is pearl millet, or Maharashtra, you will see jawar, or South India. All these positive millets, the richest crops are grown in South India. So we all must start catering the demand in the market. Nowadays, if you will see, millets prices has also grown up. Why? Suddenly, if you see last year, 2023, as it was a millet year, suddenly the awareness started. Everybody started talking about the millets. Farmers started growing the millets. All around, everywhere, you will find the ambience, the full of abundance of millets. That millets are powerhouse of nutrients. When we are talking about coming future to make it successful, you must be very healthy. You must start working on yourself. Create demand if it is not there. Stop consuming food which is coming from neighboring countries and spoiling your gut. Start demanding millets. And trust me, if you start consuming this and doing awareness, you will be very healthy. Your family will be very healthy. Your community around you very healthy. And you will be able to create larger social impact. It is not about the only having your health, but the society around you, community around you, and make your country proud. Soldier is not fighting only on the border, but it is about not only about the national security, but let's fight for the nutritional security of our country. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.